welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new here, my name is Victoria Ajadi and I make videos around lifestyle, money making online, and all those kind of stuff. If any of my content interests you, please make sure to click on the subscribe button below. Please make sure to click on the subscribe button below and tap on the notification bell beside it. So today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this drone. It is called a quadrocopter. Yeah, a quadrocopter. This dronex Pro is what I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing today. I got this delivered about 2 weeks ago, and let's see. Yeah, I've always admired using the drone. With the drone you get to get different footage of whatever you are doing, and I'm so glad that I'm able to get this drone. So let's unbox this. I'm excited. Woo! So here is the control. I'm guessing here's the control, and this is where the batteries will go to. 3 batteries, and this is how it will be controlled. And with this, okay, the up key, down key, the power key, the up key, down key, go left, go right, power key, and this is where the battery will be. 3 batteries will be going in here. So this is the control, and this is the quadrocopter itself, the drone itself. And this is the manual. I'm going to be going through the manual because I have no idea how this quadrocopter works. It's a collapsible quadrocopter, so I'm going to be going through it and see how it works, and I'm going to be trying to fly it right now. I hope I don't destroy it. Okay, I think these are the wings, not sure. Then it came with this and I think this is for some technical mechanical works if there is any need for it. And I think this has some spare parts also. Okay, so I'm going to be going ahead and charging it now. So these are the propellers, which will be connected to this. I think it's just mainly for protection, I guess, because these actually fly without this. So I think it's just for protection. So firstly, I'm going to be bringing out the battery, which is right here, just at the back. Bring it out. Then I'm going to be charging it with this USB cord that they provided. So this is the charging port. Just going to connect this to it. Yep. And I'm going to plug it to the power source. As you can see, it's connected and charging. So you know that it has completed charging when this red light actually goes off. So I'll just leave that here. So I got a battery for the control, and I'll be putting the battery here, 3 batteries. Okay, and yeah, that's it, it's on. And this is the left control, right control, and the up key, down key. This is the power button. So I just put it off. I've put it on, to the right, to the left. Okay, what's this for? I don't know. And this is supposedly the place where the phone is supposed to hang, but I don't know how my phone is supposed to go in here. I mean, if you have an idea, please let us know in the comment section. How is my phone supposed to go in here? This space is too small. I don't know. I don't understand. Okay, so I guess I won't be using this for a while. And let's get to the part where my hand. Okay, so I think we are good. I think we are good. I think we are good. Okay, so I'm just going to insert the battery now and try it on. So the red light is off, meaning it is full. So I'm just going to remove this and I'll be putting it back in here. Okay, good. Yeah. So I'm going to be trying to fly this right now. Wish me luck.